All right, you know what I'm talking about. Most of us have at least a little bit of it, and I'd say all of us want to get rid of it. It is cellulite, and it can be almost impossible to get rid of with diet and exercise. So today, a treatment with proven results. It is FDA cleared, minimally invasive, and it lasts for at least 2 years.
Awesome. Dr. Maida Parkins is a plastic surgeon with Quintessa Aesthetic Center, and she's here with more on Cellfina, and it can make the skin with cellulite look smooth and healthy. Good to have you here.
Thank you.
Great to see you again.
Yeah.
This is great. So you again started in June with Quintessa, correct?
I just started earlier this month.
Yeah.
And we're very excited. We're right in Delafield, so we have patients coming to us from all around the state. It's very easy to get to. So yeah, I'm really excited to be there.
That's fun. And what's your specialty? What types of procedures do you do at Quintessa?
So I do head to toe plastic surgery, but I really concentrate on breast and body contouring. So I do a lot of breast augmentation, reduction, lifts, tummy tucks, liposuction, fat transfer, thigh lifts, arm lifts, a lot of body stuff. So
Yeah.
What's your approach to patient care? Because I think a lot of times when a woman comes into a center like Quintessa, they're looking to up self-confidence about things that they don't like, or do different things that they feel will make them, look and feel better.
Right. So our approach is really to take our time with you. A lot of places you go and rush in, rush out. How many patients can we get through the day, through the door in one day? But I really want to spend my time with you and educate you and give you your options and feel like you're really comfortable with us before we go ahead and do anything. And I think patients really appreciate that because it's sometimes hard to find these days.
Yeah.
And we're also really looking for natural results. A lot of people are like, I don't really want to look like I had plastic surgery. That's no problem. We can give you a really natural result where maybe no one guessed that you had something done. So
yeah, I think that's wonderful. And I think you're in the business of making people feel better about themselves. And I think that it is a nice gift to give yourself to feel better about yourself. And I like this mission that you have. The true essence of beauty begins with relationships. And that's what you're talking about. If you're spending time with people, you're forming a relationship.
Right. Yeah, it's great. Our patients are, hugs, and when everything's done, and I want to come back and see you again. I'm like, well, come on back. You can come and say hi. Or we have skincare, and it's fun. It's because we form a relationship, and it's a friendship, and it's a lot of fun too.
Yeah,
it's great.
Talk about Cellfina, because this is the big thing. It's brand new on the market.
Yes.
It's been tested to show up to 2 years results at minimal. It's minimally invasive, and it's getting rid of cellulite.
Right. Yes. So we're very excited about Cellfina. The patient satisfaction is just amazing. So the satisfaction rate actually goes up with time. So many of the prior treatments for cellulite, they worked for a few months and then it was just kind of back to normal. This has proven results that are lasting. And so that's the big difference because it's really going in and it's treating the cause of the cellulite. It's not just making it look better for a while. It's actually
that was after 2 years. Is that a butt cheek?
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's kind of the edge of a.
First I saw it, I thought maybe it was a belly.
Yeah,
and then I was like, no,
kind of like
I was trying to think of a better way of saying it.
That's a perky little apple bottom.
The outer, the outer parts, the appropriate for TV photos.
Right. Okay, so we said that it's minimally invasive. Can you just kind of briefly explain the technology? So you're not making like big incisions.
No. Just tiny little like needle size entry points just to put in the numbing medicine. And then we actually release the little bands. So the cellulite is bands going from the skin to the underlying tissues, kind of tethering down those little points. So all those little dents that you see are little kind of puckers from underneath, these little bands holding it down. So this just goes in and disrupts those little bands. And so it's actually an immediate result. You can see results as soon as 3 days afterwards because it releases them and then the skin just kind of bounces back to its normal position.
So this is done right in office.
Yes.
And you said you can see the results after 3 days at minimum, at most. When you're doing, how long does it take? How long are you using the machine that releases those little bands?
So the whole thing is about 45 minutes, no more than an hour. That includes, you come in and we mark it and then we numb it up and then we do the actual procedure. So it's not.
Is there a lot of downtime or?
No, there's really not much downtime at all. We kind of suggest you take it easy for a day, but really it doesn't need to keep you from doing any activities. There can be some small amounts of swelling or small amounts of bruising, but most people kind of just go back to their regular day and do their normal stuff. So.
And we talked about proven results. Is it true that 100% of people who've had Cellfina see some sort of noticeable change?
Yep, there's improvement, 100, and that's amazing. There's not too many things I can talk about that it's 100%.
I don't think so either,
And 96% satisfaction rate at 2 years. So
Wow.
it's not like this is a one-time treatment. You don't have to come in again and again and
Oh,
again.
it's just one time.
One-time treatment, and then it lasts.
No
so that's
way.
why
I like
we're
that.
really excited.
Can you do, so we were looking at a picture of the behind. Can you do that and the back of your leg at the same time?
Yes. Yep.
So you can do a very large area at once.
Yep.
Oh my
Depends
gosh.
on how big your derriere is.
Yeah.
In terms of large area.
Got some fun going on back there.
Yep.
All right, patients who receive cellulite treatment with Cellfina at Quintessa can also receive one complimentary area of cool sculpting. It's a great special they've got going on right now. Mention that you saw them here on the Morning Blend when you contact Quintessa at myquintessa.com/Cellfina. That's how you can learn more about that, or call for an appointment 262-303-4876 to go on in, stop in, meet with Dr. Maida, and learn a little bit more about what may be right for you as well. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Great to see you.
What a
Thank
cool
you so
new
much.
machine, yeah.
No, I like that.